Welcome to the final challenge. You will demonstrate your knowledge of the past 3 modules by directing me through some tasks. My supervisor has requested I fill a safety can with acetone from a drum and give it to Dave from the lab. I will then need to fill a portable tank with xylene from a manifold. If I do not perform the tasks in correct order or according to the safety procedures I've learned in the modules, I will increase my risk meter. If the risk becomes too high, I will have to start over. Once these tasks have been done safely, you will have passed the course. When you're ready to begin, press the Next button. Good luck! I will be going into a classified area in order to perform these tasks, so I need to select the proper PPE. I also need to make sure that I don't take something with me that does not belong in a classified area. Correct items will highlight in green. Correct. Correct. Try again. Correct. Correct. Jim may now proceed to the next step. The door leads to the plant. Should I enter or check that my shoes are static dissipative first? Correct. Before entering the plant, I need to make sure that my shoes are static dissipative. My shoes are not static dissipative. Perhaps they are dirty. I'll clean them with this brush and try again. That did it. They must have been dirty. They are now static dissipative. If they had failed the test a second time, I would have had to see my supervisor. I want to take a drum filled with acetone from the Class 1 Division 2 or Zone 2 area into the Class 1 Division 1 or Zone 1 area, so I can transfer the acetone into a safety can. I will not be switching lift trucks in between the classified areas. Which lift truck is the proper one to use? Correct. I will now go to the Class 1 Division 2 or Zone 2 area to retrieve the drum filled with acetone and take it to the Class 1 Division 1 or Zone 1 area. Before I fill the safety can, I need to make sure that the ventilation is not blocked and working properly. Remove any objects blocking ventilation by clicking on them. Correct. I need to select the proper cables to bond and ground with so that they effectively dissipate any static charge generated. Which cable is the proper one to use? Correct. How should I bond this equipment? Select the objects I need to bond to each other. Correct. Correct. How should I ground the process so that any static that is generated is dissipated safely to Earth? Select the objects I need to ground. Correct. 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 The safety can has been correctly filled from the drum. I will now give the safety can to Dave from the lab. I may proceed to the next task. I need to fill a portable tank with xylene from this manifold. I want to avoid turbulence and splashing while filling. Which dispensing nozzle type should I use? Correct. I need to bond myself to a piece of equipment in order to prevent the accumulation of static charges on myself. What should I do to bond myself? Try again.